Thank you. And the DPDP Act is called Digital Personal Data Protection Act. There's no privacy word is not there. And its key concern, as I understand, is things called IID, that is individually identifiable data. So healthcare, of course, is the probably most critical among them, but there are all kinds of data that you have which can identify you, and then bad people can do bad things to you, etc. And there are many technological frameworks for anonymization, privacy protection, etc., which are being developed in academia and companies, etc., which are of course very important. And we will have all these figured out. So if we have all these figured out and data is available for the innovators to use, what kind of applications specifically in healthcare do you foresee? We already saw a few being, in the earlier sessions on radiology, of course, and histopathology or what, in intra-operation and during operation, helping, there are all kinds of things possible. What other things do you foresee, just from your personal view?
Yeah, it's a very interesting question. So at the end of the day, what are the kind of use cases where I think there has been a very exciting, lively and live kind of demonstration by Dr. Sunkavalli about what kind of use cases the robotic surgery that he has demonstrated through several videos is a great case in point. But in terms of the popularity of usage, the number of occurrences, number of usages, number of cases treated, if you see, a few of them stand out here, and also those which are approved. We have had, of course, the talk by Dr. Chandrasekhar on that in India. They lead this particular or take the responsibility for certification. The regulator, so to say, the regulatory function. Still, I'm not sure whether any AI device and AI with a solution, full-scale solution is yet certified in India by the authority. But globally, we are using the certifications abroad to, either FDA or CE certifications to pass, to use it in India. Of course, there have been some indigenous solutions developed also, but the certifications they got earlier from FDA and CE. So that is the position here. So some of the popular ones are the diagnosis of TB or any other malfunction in the lung dysfunction, etc. This is Qure.ai, is very popular. And also for breast cancer, we have thermal imaging by Niramai, which is also CE approved and so on. And another one, we have in the World Economic Forum, we have done a project on, it's called First Cancer Care framework, which looks at a 360-degree view of how do you manage a cancer case right from screening and early detection to all the way up to rehabilitation. So it is implemented in the state with the largest incidence of cancer in India, which is Meghalaya. So in one district, the entire population, high-risk population has been, in the age group of 30 to 65 has been screened, where it was done in association with Apollo hospitals here. So there, 5 types of cancer were subjected to the screening, mostly, including, they included breast cancer, cervical, and lung, esophageal, and oral. So the point I'm making here is AI has been used in that project. The framework was developed by the World Economic Forum, and it was taken by the government of Meghalaya and implemented with the help of Apollo as a partner. So for 2 of the cancers, they have breast and cervical, they have used AI-based devices there. So that's one thing that's happening. And also remote patient monitoring is a case where a lot of traction is happening for the use of AI. Also in a in some way, the genomic analysis of and early detection of cancer is also a use case that's gaining popularity. So there are many solutions, but I'm telling the top of the top layer of these use cases and AI solutions today in the healthcare.